Good morning, ma'am. I am examining number 001. Narito po ako upang kumuha ng oral and practical examination. Narito po ang aking permit. Ma'am, maaari ko na po bang ihanda ang aking kagamitan sa pagmamasahe?
Go ahead.
Ma'am, naayos ko na ang kagamitan sa pagmamasahe. Maaari ko na bang papasukin ang aking client?
Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our spa. Maupo po muna kayo, ma'am. Maaari ko po bang malaman kung ano pong pinunta niyo dito?
Masakit yung akin.
Ganun po ba? Ilang araw na po yan, ma'am?
Kapang araw.
Naipatingin niyo na po ba yan si doktor? Sige ho, ma'am. Hayaan niyo po at titingnan natin kung ano pong matutulong natin tungkol dyan. For the meantime po, pakifill up lang po ng form. Ma'am, bukod po sa masakit na inyong likod, ano po ang kabuwang estado ng inyong kondisyon? Ma'am, katulad po na sinabi niyo kanina na masakit po ang inyong likuran, bilang validation po, kukunan po kayo ng vital signs. Ma'am, ayon po sa yung sinabi kanina na meron po kayong back pain, nung pinunan ko po kayo ng vital signs, normal naman po ang inyong indicators. Ibig sabihin po, kayo po ay fit for massage. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng treatment. Ma'am, maaari ka na po lumapa sa ating massage table. There are 5 basic stroke massage: effleurage, petrissage, friction, taputment, and vibration. First basic stroke massage is effleurage. Effleurage came from the French word fleur, meaning to glide or slide, also known as gliding. It is an gliding movements repeated following the contour of the body using palm, knuckles, fingertips, or forearm. Rationale, it is used to introduce touch, applying lubricants, and is preferred as a transition stroke. Benefits, it relaxes the clients, calms the nervous system, addresses places too painful, and calms the nervous system when done slowly. First variation is one-handed. It has 3 sub-variations called the raking, the ironing, and the circular. Raking, 2 fingertips or 5 fingertips together apart with pressure. Circular, it is deep using palm, forearm, or fist. Circular, palm gliding on skin in a circular motion. Second variation is two-handed. Both hands gliding on skin simultaneously with 2 sub-variations, the heart shape and the circular. Heart shape, long deep stroke done by using 2 hands in a heart shape motion. Circular, one hand over or beside the other in a circular motion. Third variation is alternate hand. With two sub-variation, the raking and the circular. Raking, same as 100 raking, but using two hands alternately. Fourth variation is nerve stroke. Feather-line finger tracing. The second basic stroke of massage is pétrissage. Pétrissage came from a French word pétrir, meaning to knead, also known as kneading. It is a cycle rhythmic lifting, squeezing, and releasing of tissue. Rationale, the hand is in a C formation while performing the stroke, and the benefits is working out metabolic waste and reduces muscle soreness and stiffness. First variation is simple clamp squeeze. Second variation, it is two variation called the praying hands in the ocean waves. Praying hands, fingers interlaced while palm moving upward. Ocean waves, palm gliding on skin in opposite direction. And the third variation is alternate hand, grasp and release alternately. The fourth variation is pulling, thumb or palm pressure separating while moving forward. The fifth variation is skin rolling, lifting skin and superficial fascia with no downward force involved. The third basic stroke of massage is friction. Friction came from a French word fricare, meaning to rub, also known as rubbing. It is compressing tissues in several directions using sliding hands, open palm, fingers, or knuckles back and forth over the skin or deeper tissue layer, usually dry with or without oil. Rationale, it is often used to areas that lacks muscle bulk or to areas that have little or no blood supplies. Benefits, loosening stiffness and freeing adhesions are some of its benefits. First variation is superficial warming. Palms move briskly in opposite direction. It has a sub-variation called the sawing, using the ulnar edge of the hand gliding along the scapula or any bony areas of the body. Second variation is the rolling. Hold limb, hands with open hands from back and forth from distal to proximal. The third variation is ringing. Grasp firmly while twisting in opposite direction. Fourth variation is cross fiber. Fingers movement perpendicular to muscle fibers with moderate to heavy pressure. The next variation is chacking. Chacking, same directions as tendon, muscles, and ligamentous fibers. Thumbs or fingers move back and forth. The next variation is circular. Small circular movements that glide superficial tissues over underlying tissues. The fourth basic stroke of massage is taputment. Taputment came from a French word tapoter, meaning to tap, also known as percussion. It is a repetitive staccato striking movement simultaneously or alternately using the ulnar edge of the hand, fingertips, open palm, cup palm, or loosely closed fist. Rationale, it may be applied directly on skin or through a drape while avoiding heavy strokes over the kidneys. Benefits, it stimulates nerve endings initially, making it more sedative if continued, and also helps increase local blood flow. The first variation is tapping, using fingertips of one or both hands with various speeds. It has three sub-variations called the punctuation, the pulsing, and the raindrops. Punctuation, known as hard tap. Pulsing, alternate deep light tap. and the raindrops, very light fingertips tap on skin at different times. The second variation is placement. Skin is lifted by grasping quickly at the point of striking. It has a variation called plucking. Skin is lifted slowly and fully at the point of striking. The third variation is tacking. Chop using the ulnar edge of the hand with fingers relaxed. It has a variation called quacking. Strike with the last 3 fingers, producing quacking sound. When done along the muscle, the benefits is relaxation. When done across the muscles, the benefits is microcontraction. The fourth variation is cupping. Cup hands, losing phlegm congestion in chest cavity may induce coughing. The next variation is pounding. Loose fist beat with moderate strength. It has a variation called rapping. When applied, palm down. The next variation is clapping. Both palms strike the skin simultaneously. Sir, technically, dahil ang diffuse ay ginagawa sa tiyan ng pasyente, but for demonstration purposes, maaari ko ba itong gawin sa aking tiyan? The next variation is diffuse. Lay palmar surface on skin while striking back of the hand to diffuse pores move across the surface. Fifth basic stroke of massage is vibration. Vibration came from a Latin word vibrio, meaning to shake, also known as shaking. It is a rapid shaking, trembling, or rocking movements applied with fingertips or full hand. Rationale, performing vibration correctly needs coordination in practice. Benefits, it removes peristaltic movements and moves gas in the gastrointestinal tract. First variation is fine. Fingertips trembling the skin, fingers and wrists rigid, gliding along. The second variation is justly. Make and vigorously shaking back and forth. Third variation is forced. Grasp at the most proximal point from distal, back and forth. And then the fourth variation is rocking. Push and catch motion.
You may now proceed to post-massage.
Nung tapos na po ang pagmamasahe, maaari na po kayo magpahinga ng ilang saglit. Babalikan ko po kayo maya-maya. Ma'am, tapos na po ang pagpapahinga. Maaari na po kayong tumagilid upang maiwasan po ang pagkahilo at i-assist ko po kayo ng dahan-dahan sa iyong pagtayo. Sa ating pagmamasahe. Ma'am, kumusta na po kayo?
Medyo okay na.
Ma'am, para ma-validate po ang iyong nararamdaman, during massage po, from 0 to 10, yung 0 po, wala nararamdaman, yung 10 po, sobrang sakit ang nararamdaman. Ano po kayo dito? 6 po. After massage po, from 0 to 10, yung 0 po, walang nararamdaman, yung 10, sobrang sakit ang nararamdaman. Alin na po kayo dito? Ma'am, mas nakakabuti po sana kung magkakaroon tayo ng treatment o sesyon, 2 sesyon sa loob ng 1 linggo, 1 oras bawat sesyon. At para po mas ma-improve po ang ating kalusugan, mag-ehersisyo po tayo araw-araw, uminom ng maraming tubig, at magpahinga ng sapat sa oras. Kung iba pa po ba kayong concern?
Wala na.
Kung wala na po, maaari ko na po ba kayong i-assist palabas? Thank you for coming, ma'am.
Thank you.
That ends my presentation of 5 basic strokes. And I am Roxanne Cacorva, and my model is Hidayah Bayena. And we are from Asian Wellness Spa Academy. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.